Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a one-way slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete one-way slab using working stress method for light storage use with 12 feet span and assumed thickness of 5 inches. Design criteria as follows. Strength of concrete 6000 psi. Main bars half-inch diameter bar grade 60. Temperature bars half-inch diameter bar grade 60. The uniform load for 5 inches thick slab is 62 pounds per foot. A light storage live load is 125 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot, for a total load of 207 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab S10. Length of span 12 feet. Slab thickness 5 inches. Main and temperature bars half-inch diameter at grade 60. Strength of concrete 6000 psi and total load is 207 psf. Given Fc prime equals 6000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows. N equals 6.568, K equals 0.425, J equals 0.858, R equals 492. Given W equals 207 pounds per foot, L equals 12 feet, the moment is 44,712 inch-pounds. The effective depth is 2.75 inches. Use 5 inches for total depth. Given M equals 44,712, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.858, and D equals 3.8, the area of steel is 0.57 square inch. The spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 4 inches. The area of steel for temperature bars is 0.108 square inch, and the spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 16 inches. The shear force is 1,242 pounds and shear stress is 27.24 psi, less than 85.21 psi. The total bar circumference is 4.71 and the bond stress is 80.88 psi, less than 500 psi. Design results are as follows. Fc prime equals 6000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, length of span is 12 feet, thickness is 5 inches, main bars of grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 4 inches on center, bent up alternate at L/4, plus extra top bars, temperature bars of grade 60, half-inch diameter bar at 16 inches on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.